Activate your Pro license to unlock the full power of FormGent. This quick guide will help you enable premium features, receive automatic updates, and access dedicated support. First, log into your FormGent account at the official website. Next, navigate to the Subscription section under your profile. Locate your license key under your active subscription and copy it. Now, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Under FormGent, click on Settings. Then go to the Activate License tab to proceed with activation. Paste your copied license key into the field and click Activate License. Once activated, you'll see a confirmation message. Now, you have full access to premium features and updates. Receive automatic updates with the latest features and security enhancements. Gain priority support for troubleshooting and expert guidance. Unlock pro-level tools to build even more advanced forms. Congratulations! Your FormGent Pro license is now active. If you need assistance, feel free to contact our support team anytime. Happy form building!